The Advanced Manufacturing 4.0 lab at Miguel Altuna, in the Basque country, Spain, is a physical space for digital learning. Students and teachers work in the lab to explore the challenges presented by Industry 4.0.
A functional digital classroom helps develop in-company technologies and working habits at the school. The establishment of the 4.0 concept in the lab allows us to manage and store data, to monitor students' performance and track information.
The Advanced Manufacturing 4.0 lab at Miguel Altuna has the same level of digital maturity as industrial production facilities. By learning in a professional setting, students experience a smoother transition to the workplace.
Ikastetxean erronketako metodologia erabiltzen dugu, eta enpresetako errealitatea lantzen dugu.
Tailerrean, RFID txartel personalek erabiltzen ditugu makinak eta erramintak erreserbatzeko.
Aldi berean, behar ditugun plano eta dokumentuak makinetako ordenagailuetan ditugu.
Sistema honekin, ingurune digital baten lan egiten ikasten dugu.
The lab is a showroom and test space for small and medium enterprises.
Here in Mecenaro, we are developing some new projects regarding Industry 4.0 topics, and our close relationship with Miguel Altuna is being really helpful, as their work is truly inspiring and an example of best practice.
Miguel Altuna's Advanced Manufacturing 4.0 lab is part of the Exam 4.0 knowledge community. Exam 4.0 is the European platform of vocational excellence centers in advanced manufacturing. At Miguel Altuna, we pilot advanced manufacturing lab concepts for vocational education and training centers. Our results are shared with other centers around Europe.